Once again, the flurry of rain has carved deep scars of pain onto the soil of Maharashtra's Nanded region. At present, we are here on the outskirts of Nanded, and this is the Mukher Taluka where we are present. The calamity pouring from the skies has shaken Marathwada to its core. In Nanded, in this particular village, and not just one but a total of 7 of such villages, the situation is the most terrifying. Villages are submerged into water, roads like you see have been washed away, and hundreds of people are trapped between life and death. So far, 300 people have been safely rescued, but unfortunately, 5 of these villagers have lost their lives, and also the count is likely to go up. At present, we are here on ground zero, and the tragic tale of rain that has devastated not just one but multiple village is right in front of your eyes. What you see in front of you is not just one village, but they consist of several livelihoods of several farmers who worked for the entire year to earn bread and butter for themselves. But now, with just a few hours of rainfall, which crossed the maximum danger limit of rainfall that this particular region could receive, all of the grains are now washed away, and the farmers here, the people who used to reside in these villages, are left with nothing. No family, no occupation, and no home. The heavy rains have submerged the low-lying areas, and because this particular region belongs in a low-lying area, you can see the disaster that this particular rainfall has caused. Women are now around, and they are here with hope that now that the water has receded to some end, they might be able to gather some of their home items back, which is why they are waiting, and they are in hope that it is likely that they would get some of their belongings, but again it seems hard. There were operations and rescue operations that were carried out by the NDRF SDRF teams yesterday, and today it is also the Indian Army who has joined in to rescue people who were missing since the last few hours, and so far 5 dead bodies have been recovered. Now, like you see in front of you, this is just one part, one particular section of this village. On the other, you can see there are these roads that are completely submerged in water, which were once roads are now could be called as rivers. And this particular village that you see, it was one of the most hustling and bustling villages, but now what you see is, and what you can hear is literally pin drop silence. Now, whenever we talk about people who go outside of the villages to earn, they wish to come back and meet their family, but now people are coming just to see and find out whether their family members are alive or not. What you see in front of you are the equipments that people had within their homes, but now they are all just trash that needs to be thrown away because it is of no good use for the family. And the water level here is literally till the top of the homes, and what we are standing on is actually the terrace of a home which was built in which people used to reside, but now it is just water all over. Now, whenever we talk about ornaments or money or the precious belongings of people, they're often kept in lockers, into safe boxes in people's home. But here, once we came, we met some villagers who found a box that was full of money. Now, when we talk about money and gold and ornaments, these are all the things to be kept with great pleasure and pride, and also to be kept with safety. But now these are just lost savings of a family who doesn't even know that their things currently are here, and how do they find them back is a bigger question. Let us directly talk to this villager who found it. आपने इसको ढूंढा, कहाँ से मिला आपको ये?
मुझे इस घर से मिला है।
ये घर से?
इस घर से मिला है। अभी भी मतलब पानी गले तक है।
इस घर के अंदर पानी अभी भी गले तक है?
अभी तक गले तक है पानी। लेकिन मुझे बताया गया था कि अंदर कीमती सामान है, गहने हैं, कम से कम 2-3 लाख का गहना है। तो सबसे ज़रूरी यही था, तो रिस्क लेके मैं अभी खुद अंदर गया था, तो इसको ढूंढ के लेके आया मैं।
ये परिवार अब कहाँ पर है? उनको मिलेगा वापस उनका सामान?
हाँ, अभी मैं उनके पास ही लेके जा रहा हूँ, और परिवार अभी गांव के बाहर पहाड़ी के ऊपर रुका हुआ है।
सारे जो लोग हैं वो सब पहाड़ी के ऊपर
ही रुके हुए हैं, क्योंकि अचानक पानी भरने से रात को 1:30 बजे लोग ऐसे भागे, उनके बीच में 5 लोगों की मौत भी हो गई।
अच्छा।
जो बच्चे हैं वो पहाड़ी के ऊपर है, 3 दिन से खाना नहीं, दूसरे गांव से उनको खाना वगैरह खिलाया है।
यहाँ पे हर साल ऐसी ही बारिश होती है?
नहीं, हर साल बारिश नहीं होती, बारिश तो हर तरफ होती है, लेकिन ये 5 जो गांव है, जो गांव के ऊपर जो डैम है बड़े बड़े, ये डैम फूटने से पूरा पानी अचानक से भर गया, इनको टाइम भी नहीं मिला।
तो अब यहाँ पे लोग दोबारा कैसे रहने आएंगे? तो सब कुछ टूट चुका है।
अभी तो मुश्किल है, इनका जीना मुश्किल है, इतना खाना मुश्किल है, इतना हर घर का कम से कम 100 बोरी अनाज पानी में मिल गया है। अभी ये कुछ नहीं बचा इनके पास अभी, ये खुद के अलावा।
ये अच्छा, खुद के अलावा कुछ नहीं बचा। ये गांव में ज्यादातर तो किसान होंगे, सबके फसल जा चुके हैं।
हाँ, पूरे पूरे किसान हैं, पूरे पूरे साल की अनाज सब कुछ पूरे, अभी देखोगे तो पूरे पानी में ही है घर। मुझे जैसे बताया गया कि 100 बोरी हर घर में पूरा पूरा पानी में मिल गया है।
So this particular village, it consists of the majority of the people in this village. Their occupation is that they do farming, but their entire year's hard work that they had done to get some income out of their livelihood is now submerged into water. And like the villager said, they have nothing with them except for their own bodies, which is also now unsafe with this havoc of a rainfall that is currently been pouring in Maharashtra. From Nanded with video journalist Mahesh Halwai, this is Sujata Dwivedi reporting for NDTV.